Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Editing a Java class file inside a jar, Java archive, can be a useful skill for developers who need to make quick changes to a library or application without recompiling the entire project. This tutorial will guide you through the process of extracting, editing, and repackaging a class file inside a jar. ### prerequisites. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your computer. 2 Jar utility, comes with the JDK. 3 An IDE or text editor for editing Java files, like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or even a simple text editor. 4 Java decompiler, optional, for understanding the bytecode. ### steps to edit a Java class file in a jar. #####1. Extract the jar file. First, you need to extract the contents of the jar file. You can use the command line or a file archiving tool. Using the command line. This command extracts all the contents of yourfile.jar into the current directory. #####2. Locate the class file. Navigate to the extracted directory structure to find the specific .class file you want to edit. For example, if you are looking for com/example/myclass.class, navigate to the com/example/directory. ####3. Decompile the class file, optional. If you want to see the source code of the class file, you can use a Java decompiler such as JDGOE or CFR. Here's how to use the CFR decompiler. This will output the decompiled Java code to the terminal. ####4. Edit the class file. If you need to modify the class, you have a couple of options. Modify the existing class. If you have the original Java source code, make the changes there and recompile. Edit the decompiled code. If you decompiled the class, copy the output into a new .java file, example myclass.java, make your changes, and then recompile it. For example, if you want to change a method in myclass.java. #### original code. #### modified code. ####5. Compile the Java file. After editing, you need to compile the Java file back into a class file. This command compiles myclass.java and places the resulting myclass.class file in the correct package directory. ####6. Repackage the jar file. Once you have your modified .class file, you can repackage the jar. Navigate back to the root of the extracted jar contents and use the following command. You can also include all other files and directories that were in the original jar if necessary, using ####7. Verify the changes. To confirm that your changes have been applied, you can run a Java program that uses the modified jar or simply decompile the new jar again to check the output. ###example of using the modified jar. You can create a simple Java application to test the modified jar. Compile and run your test application using the modified jar. ###conclusion. Editing a class file in a jar can be a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow the steps carefully. This method is useful for making quick fixes or adjustments to existing libraries. However, always ensure you have permission to modify and distribute modified jars, as doing so may violate licensing agreements.